of this had a steep impact on the Wall Street, which took a sharp hit on Thursday as investor confidence gave way to the mounting fears over economic fallout from President Trump's widening tariff war. All three major indexes tumbled, giving up much of the ground gained in the previous session. Take a look.
Wall Street volatility continued on Thursday with the Dow dropping 2.5%, the S&P 500 shedding nearly 3.5%, and the Nasdaq losing 4.3%. All three indexes forfeited much of the previous session's gains as growing concerns over the escalating U.S.-China trade war dampened optimism over upbeat economic data and trade talks with Europe. Alexander Morris is CEO of FM Investments.
All of the tariff news, all of the auction news we hear, even the good bits are now getting drowned out by the fact that the markets are starting to price in any good bit of news can be taken away in a tweet, and any bad day can be turned around just as easily. That instability makes prices weaker, and we're seeing that in markets today.
Following the whipsaw of Wednesday's bounce and Thursday's sell-off, the S&P 500 remained more than 7% below where it was just before the reciprocal tariffs were announced last week. Nearly lost in the shuffle Thursday was a Labor Department report showing consumer prices unexpectedly cooled in March. But Federal Reserve policymakers said this week that they continued to view Trump's tariffs as inflationary and a potential blow to economic growth. Among the day's stock moves, big tech came under pressure once again, with each of the so-called Magnificent Seven stocks suffering substantial losses. Shares of CarMax slid 17% after the used car retailer missed fourth-quarter profit expectations. Friday kicks off first-quarter earnings season with big banks including JPMorgan Chase, Morgan Stanley, and Wells Fargo due to report.